So before I remove that bolt there, and I kind of look like this, so it's protruding out just enough to catch my boot. I have SG12s. See, in this one I just put this kind of bolt on there, but just enough to stay away from your foot or your boot from, and it was basically stopping me from standing up and sitting down. That transition happens all the time. It's kind of a PSA, no one's really talking about it, but this is an 18 YZ250FX, and I think all reverse motor 250s from 15 on probably have the same problem here. But yeah.